Hello students, I welcome you all to the new session of English literature, and in today's session we are going to discuss about our new chapter, and the name of the chapter is The Red Bird's Tree. So bacha, this is a story of a king who has 3 sons, and it is also about a very special tree which has red birds on it. Okay, so now let's see what happens in the story. So this story is about a king, his 3 sons and a special red bird tree. Read and know more about the story. Now let us start the story. In a far away kingdom lived a king who had 3 sons. The young princes had grown up hearing so many stories about a special tree with red birds that each wished to be the first to see. So in a faraway kingdom, there lived a king who has 3 sons, and those princes had grown up hearing the story of that special tree which was a red bird tree. So they wished to see it first, means they all wanted to be the first person to see that tree. So one day during summer, means during the hot summer day, the eldest, means the most elder one, the most eldest prince asked the charioteer. Charioteer here bacha is a person who used to ride a chariot. Okay, as you can see that a person who is riding this horse cart is called a chariot, and the person who is riding it, he is called charioteer. So he asked the charioteer to take him where the tree stood, but disappointment awaited him. Disappointment means the act of frustration. Okay, so when he reached that place, he was very much disappointed after seeing that tree, because he was just listening the stories of that tree from since he was a child, and when he reached that place and he saw that tree, so he was very much disappointed. Why he was disappointed? What a disappointment! The tree is so bare. These are the words of that prince. As you can see, they are shown here also. What a disappointment! The tree is so bare. So bare means it is kind of there are no leaves, no bud on the tree. So he was very much disappointed. He was very much frustrated after seeing this tree. The second prince went during the rainy season with the same charioteer. The tree looked lush and green but had no buds. So the second prince, after the eldest prince visited there, now the second prince decided that I will also go and see that tree. So he took the same charioteer and he went to that place. The tree looked lush and green. Why the tree looked lush and green at that time? Because it was a rainy season, and the eldest prince has went there in the summer season. So in the rainy season, as we all know that all trees look very beautiful and green. So in the same way, this tree was also looking very attractive and quite very much green. So but had no birds, but there was no sign of the red birds in that tree. Then the prince said, "This tree is just an ordinary tree with green leaves." Oh, what a disappointment! Then he said, that second prince said, "This tree is also just like an ordinary tree. What is special about it? And what a disappointment. I am also very much disappointed after seeing this tree." Sometime later in spring, the third prince requested the same charioteer to take him where the tree stood. Now after some time, when the spring season started, the third prince requested the same charioteer, and he requested the same charioteer to took him that I also want to go to see that tree. So he went there. What a beautiful tree with red buds! I have yet to witness such a creation. But in the spring season, as we all know, that the buds grow up in the tree and they look more and more beautiful. In the same way, when the third prince visited that tree, it was full of those red birds, and the tree was looking so attractive and so beautiful. So he said, "What a beautiful tree with red birds, that I have seen the tree with red birds and yet to witness such a creation. Now witness means one that give proof of something. Okay, so he said that I am just waiting to witness, I am just waiting to see this creation, this tree. One day the king summoned the three princes and the charioteer. He asked each one to describe the red bird's tree. The eldest spoke first. So now one day the king, after they all three have seen the king, seen the tree, then the king summoned means ordered someone to come to you, means to call someone. Okay, so the king called the three princes, and the same charioteer who has took these three princes to that tree, he also called that charioteer also. So the king asked each one of them to describe that what they have seen when they have went to see that tree, what they have seen there. The eldest, who has went there for the very first time, he just spoke. He spoke first. Oh, the tree I saw was absolutely bare. Bare means something that is uncovered. Okay, there was no leaf, there was no flower, there was no bud there. So he said, oh father, the tree which I have saw, that was absolutely bare. Now the second and the third princes described the tree as they had seen it. Now the second and the third also told the king that as they have seen the tree, they have told that, like, the tree I saw was just an ordinary tree with green leaf. This is told by the second prince, because he went there in the rainy season. So he said that I have saw the tree which I have saw, that was just an ordinary green tree as the every tree used to look in the rainy season. But the tree I saw was indeed beautiful. Father, I have never seen a tree so beautiful as the red bird's tree. Now the third prince, who has went there in the spring season, he said, but the tree I have saw, it was the most beautiful tree I have ever seen in my life. I think we saw three different trees. The eldest prince said, I think we saw three different trees. That I think that we have not seen the same tree. We have seen three different trees. After hearing what each prince had to say, the king asked the charioteer to speak. After hearing all these three things, like one was saying that it was a bare tree, second was saying it was an ordinary tree, and third is saying that it was the most beautiful tree. So the king got confused. Now he asked from the charioteer that you have gone with each of the prince. Now you tell me what happened. What exactly happened? Your Majesty, we all saw the same tree, but at different times of the year. Hence the difference. Now the charioteer explained what exactly happened. That he said, Your Majesty. Majesty is a word which is used to pay respect to the king. Okay, so he said that we all have seen the same tree, but we have seen that tree in the different time of the year, and we all know that trees look different in every season. Okay, so we have seen that same tree but in the different times of the year, hence the difference, and that's why we all saw a different tree. When everyone stopped talking, the king spoke, and after listening everyone thinking whatever they are saying, whatever they are discussing, then the king spoke. Then the king said to everyone, you are correct, means you all are correct. In your opinion, in your point, you all are correct. This teaches us never to pass a judgment till we explore the entire truth. But after hearing all your stories, I come to know, and we should always remember that we should never pass a judgment without knowing the entire truth. Okay, our own experience may be true, but it is limited by failure or to account for the total truth. And the king said, our own experiences may be true, means whatever I have seen, whatever you have seen, that is true. I am not saying that you are saying lie, but it is limited to your own failure to account for the total truth. Means we don't know the entire truth, and we just spoken our decisions that I have seen a bare tree, I have seen a green ordinary tree. So this is just this is correct for you, but it cannot be considered as a complete truth. So the moral which we learn from this story, students, that is never pass your judgment till the entire truth is explored. Means we should not judge anyone. We should not give our judgment about anything or anyone until we know the entire truth or we explore the entire truth. Okay, so this was the story. I hope everyone has liked this story and everyone has understood this story and the moral which this story is trying to convey to us. So I see you in the next session, beta. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.